Today I have a quick little video showcasing my new Stepcraft CNC. Derek from Molden recommended the Stepcraft model to me. I'll link him down in the description below. This D-840 model came up the next day after we talked on Facebook Marketplace for an amazing deal, and I just had to go pick it up. When I got home, I got it all cleaned up and tuned with the help of the folks over at Stepcraft. They have an awesome support system that will not sleep until your problem is solved. So for my first official project, I am doing a custom engraving on a tempered glass panel for a customer that is going to use it on their computer console. I used VCarve to create the design and UCCNC to run the G-code. Now, it took me quite a few tests to figure out how the diamond drag bit worked and how the CNC worked in general, so I'd call it quite a steep learning curve, but I wouldn't let that deter you from buying a CNC. Having a CNC in my shop will allow me to do a lot more custom work as well as automated production work that I can walk away from so I can work on other projects in the meantime. All in all, this CNC is going to be a great investment for my shop, and I can't wait to find out more about it. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you all soon.